cultural map of Akhand Bharat, Undivided India and the concerns. Welcome to our YouTube video where we discuss the cultural map of Akhand Bharat, also known as Undivided India, and the concerns it has raised among the neighboring nations. Recently, a mural drawing the ancient map of India was installed in the newly constructed Parliament building, symbolizing the rich historical heritage of the South Asia region. The mural featured in the new parliamentary building, recently inaugurated by Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi, discloses the concept of Akhand Bharat, which refers to the historical period of the 3rd century BC, when India used to comprise regions beyond its present borders. This map includes parts of present-day Nepal, Afghanistan, Pakistan, the Maldives, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Bangladesh, and India. As the news of the mural spread, they sparked a sharp controversy within the South Asian nations such as Nepal, Pakistan, and Bangladesh, and they expressed their concerns and objections regarding the Akhand Bharat map. This has further strained India's already strained relations with most of its immediate neighbors, highlighting the need for immediate understanding to maintain peace, harmony, and cooperation among them. However, Indian government defended the mural and tried to address the controversy by explaining it as an artwork that depicted the expansion of the ancient Ashokan Empire. Seeking to minimize the concerns of the neighboring nations, Indian side said that Akhand Bharat map placed inside the new parliamentary building is a cultural representation rather than a political one. The Indian side also emphasized that the mural symbolizes the glory and greatness of the great Ashoka Empire and represents a just, moral, and people-friendly governance, with an Indian minister expressing confidence that the neighboring nations would comprehend the intended meaning of the mural. However, India's neighboring countries, namely Nepal, Bangladesh, and Pakistan, still feel uncomfortable with the idea of Akhand Bharat mural in the new parliamentary building, believing that India has lightened a serious issue. Despite the Indian clarification attempts, objections from Pakistan, Bangladesh, and Nepal continue. Throughout history, humanity has witnessed devastating wars and destructions. Today, our primary goal is to promote peace, harmony, friendship, and cooperation among nations. Controversies like this only worsen the troubles humanity faces due to hostile relations, war, and unrest. In a world that requires cooperation to fight hunger, disease, poverty, and illiteracy, it is essential for countries to work together for the global human community. Unfortunately, we see extreme nationalism, religious supremacy, hatred towards others, and communal divisions in various parts of the world, directly challenging our shared humanity. Our countries and governments should not take time to devise ways to foster global brotherhood in practice and work towards the well-being of all mankind through mutual friendship and cooperation. It is only by fostering humanity, spirituality, faith, and respect for all religious communities and civilizations that we can build a better future for not only in South Asia but the entire world. As a large nation, India is particularly required to create an environment of such mutual trust. Let's set aside conflicts and join hands in creating a world where unity and collaboration prevail for the well-being of humanity. There is only one race in the world, and that is humanity, and only one religion, that is again humanity. The only path to human development lies in faith, friendship, spirituality, and awakening of divinity within all of us. If interested, please like, share, and comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.